When we do our investigation, what are the most significant things that we look at as far as the operation of the train is concerned? One would be speed. Is the train traveling at a speed that would be in excess of the particular zone where it's located? Two would be the horn signals. They're supposed to blow two longs, a short, and a long is the pattern. Okay, so it's This is universal across the country, standard for trains. Number three would be to look at, in the case particularly of a collision, whether the train itself had some defect as far as its brakes were concerned, for example, or did the track itself have some defect. Next, you want to look at the train's computer to see what was registered there as far as the horn being blown or the speed of the train. Next, you'd want to look at the video. If the train had a camera, you'd want to look at that video to see how fast the train was going, to see when the brakes were applied, and what the conductor saw or should have seen right before the accident. You also need to look at the background of the people that were operating the train. So, for example, the conductor or any helpers that he had on the train itself, did they have any prior complaints? What did their personnel files say? Were they people that were slacking doing their job, or were they people that took the job seriously and had an exemplary record as far as safety is concerned, which should always be priority number one when operating such machine. So these are different factors that all have to be looked at in the investigation of a train accident.